G'day everyone, Andrew from JHP, just doing another short video inside today. We've got a FG Falcon XR6 Turbo, as you can see. Customers come in to have a 4-inch catback fitted. We're doing the dump pipe at a later stage with a few other mods, but this is what it sounds like as it is, just a catback. So this is the Xforce catback. So it gives it a nice tone there. It's the E2 brushed stainless finish. Customer's chosen just to have the pipe on the back without the twin tips, but sounding really nice.